Are you ready to transform your life in just 30 days? Welcome to the 30-Day Wellness Challenge, a comprehensive program designed to revolutionize your lifestyle, one day at a time. This challenge is not just about changing your diet or adding a few squats to your routine. It's about a holistic approach to health and wellness, focusing on 4 key pillars: nutrition, exercise, mindfulness, and self-care. Imagine nourishing your body with the right foods that give you strength and energy. Picture yourself embracing physical activities that make you feel alive and vibrant. Visualize cultivating mindfulness to achieve mental clarity and peace. And think about the joy of taking time to pamper yourself because you deserve it. This program aims to help you improve your physical and mental health, skyrocket your energy levels, and enhance your overall well-being. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that you can maintain long after these 30 days. So, why wait? Let's embark on this wellness journey together. The first week of the 30-Day Wellness Challenge focuses on nutrition. When we talk about wellness, nutrition is the cornerstone. It's the fuel that powers our bodies, our minds, and our overall health. So, for the first week of our challenge, we're going to zero in on this essential building block. Now let's break down the nutritional tasks for each day of the first week. Day 1 is all about hydration. Water is a vital nutrient that keeps our bodies functioning optimally. So, make it a point to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. If you're not used to it, start slow. Have a glass of water first thing in the morning and carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day. On day 2, we're inviting more fruits and vegetables to the table. These nutrient powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Try to incorporate at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables into your meals. Mix it up with a variety of colors for a wider range of nutrients. Day 3 focuses on reducing processed food intake. These foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium. Instead, gravitate towards whole foods like lean proteins, whole grains, and legumes. Day 4 to 7, we're maintaining our new habits. Continue drinking plenty of water, eating fruits and vegetables, and minimizing processed foods. To help you achieve these tasks, here are a few tips. For hydration, flavor your water with slices of fruit or herbs to make it more appealing. When it comes to fruits and vegetables, make them the star of your meals. Think vibrant salads, hearty vegetable soups, or fruit for dessert. And for reducing processed food, plan your meals ahead of time. This way, you're less likely to reach for convenience foods when you're hungry. The journey to wellness isn't always easy, but remember, each small step, you is a victory. And every victory brings you closer to a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, good nutrition is the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more wellness tips and challenges. Moving on to the second week, our focus shifts to exercise. We're stepping up the pace, literally and figuratively. Exercise is often touted as the magic pill for all our health woes, and for all intents and purposes it is. Regular physical activity plays a crucial role in maintaining our well-being and preventing diseases. It strengthens our heart, improves circulation, and can even boost our mood. When we exercise, our bodies release chemicals called endorphins. These are our body's natural feel-good chemicals, and they can help to reduce stress, anxiety, and feelings of depression. So what does the second week of our wellness challenge entail? Well, we've got a mix of activities lined up for you. Day 1 starts with a simple walk. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking can do wonders for your health. It increases cardiovascular fitness, strengthens bones, reduces excess body fat, and boosts muscle power and endurance. Plus, it's quite a stress buster. Day 2 introduces yoga into the mix. Yoga is not just about flexibility, it's a mind-body workout that combines strengthening and stretching poses with deep breathing and meditation or relaxation. It can boost your mood, lower stress levels, and improve your balance and stability. As we move into day 3, we're going to add some strength training. You don't need a gym membership for this. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, or lunges are excellent ways to build strength and endurance. For the rest of the week, we'll alternate between these activities. Remember, consistency is key. Now, you may be wondering, how do I fit all of this into my busy schedule? Here's a tip. Break it down. If 30 minutes seems overwhelming, try 3 10-minute sessions throughout the day. Before work, during lunch, after dinner, find what works for you and stick to it. As we progress through this wellness challenge, remember that every step, every stretch, every lift counts. Every bit of effort brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. Exercise not only changes your body, it changes your mind, your attitude, and your mood. So let's embrace this journey together and see where it leads us. In the third week, we delve into the world of mindfulness. Mindfulness, a term you might have heard floating around, is not just a buzzword but a powerful tool for mental health. It's all about being fully present, engaged in the here and now, without judgment or distraction. It's about acknowledging our thoughts and feelings as they arise, without trying to suppress or deny them. So, what does our third week of the Wellness Challenge look like? It's all about cultivating mindfulness in our day-to-day lives. And the best part? You don't need any special equipment or a lot of time. Just 10 minutes a day can make a significant difference. On Monday, let's start with a simple meditation. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. As thoughts come and go, just let them be. Don't try to control them. On Tuesday, we will practice deep breathing. Inhale slowly for a count of 4, hold the breath for 4, then exhale for 4. This exercise can help calm the mind and body, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Wednesday calls for mindful eating. Savor each bite, appreciate the taste, texture, and aroma of your food. This is not just about enjoying your food, but also about fostering a healthier relationship with eating. Come Thursday, let's try a body scan meditation. It's about tuning into each part of your body, observing sensations without judgment. Friday is for gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you are grateful for, no matter how big or small. This simple act can help to shift your focus from what's wrong to what's right in your life. And over the weekend, let's practice mindfulness in our daily activities. Whether it's washing dishes, taking a walk, or brushing your teeth, try to stay fully present and engaged. Remember, mindfulness is a skill, and like any skill, it requires practice. Don't be discouraged if it feels difficult at first. Mindfulness isn't difficult, we just need to remember to do it. And with that, we're ready to dive into week 4, the week of self-care. But that's a topic for another day. In the final week of the challenge, it's all about self-care. What does that mean? Well, self-care is the conscious act of prioritizing your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It's about taking time out of your busy life to recharge, refresh, and renew. And in our 4th week, we're focusing on just that. Self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the foundation of a healthy lifestyle and a crucial tool for maintaining balance between work and personal life. It's about taking care of yourself so you can show up as your best self every day. Let's break down the self-care tasks for this week. Day 1. Start your week with a relaxing bath. Let the warm water wash away your stress and prepare you for the week ahead. Add some Epsom salts to soothe your muscles, or try a few drops of lavender oil for a calming effect. Day 2. Dedicate some time to read a book. It doesn't have to be a novel or a self-help book. It could be a magazine or a comic book. The point is to engage your mind in something that brings you joy, that transports you to a different world, even if it's just for a few moments. Day 3. Have a digital detox. Our lives are so intertwined with technology that it's essential to take a break and disconnect. It's not about shunning technology, but rather having a mindful approach to its use. Day 4. Try a new hobby or revisit an old one. It could be painting, knitting, cooking, or even gardening. Hobbies are a great way to relax and unleash your creativity. Days 5 to 7. Repeat any of the previously mentioned activities or try something new. The key is to do something that makes you happy and relaxed. Remember, self-care is not about being selfish or indulgent. It's about acknowledging your needs and taking steps to meet them. It's about treating yourself with kindness and compassion, just as you would treat a loved one. Self-care means giving yourself permission to pause. So, take a deep breath, slow down, and give yourself the care and attention you deserve. After all, you're worth it. And there you have it, the 30-Day Wellness Challenge. This journey is designed as a comprehensive approach to wellness, taking you on a transformative ride through 4 key areas of health, nutrition, exercise, mindfulness, and self-care. In week 1, we focused on nutrition, understanding the role it plays in our overall health and how to make smart choices that fuel our bodies effectively. Week 2 saw us get moving, introducing effective exercises to boost our physical strength and endurance. In week 3, we delved into mindfulness, exploring how it helps us stay centered, reduce stress, and live in the moment. Finally, in week 4, we embraced self-care, learning to prioritize our own needs and happiness for a more balanced lifestyle. Remember, this challenge is not just about improving physical health, but also about fostering a healthier mindset and a more balanced lifestyle. So, are you ready to take the challenge? Start your 30-Day Wellness Challenge today and see how it transforms your life.